Find the tangent of theta. All right, theta is this angle right here. Tangent is given to us by the y over the x value. And so I have a point here, and I can label it x and y. So the tangent of theta in this case is going to be 1.18 over negative 6.9. Now, this is not the regular standard unit circle. This has a radius of 7, but that doesn't really affect us in any way because we have the point. So if you're worried about like, well, how do we incorporate that 7? You don't, because it's already incorporated in these points by the fact that we have negative 6.9 and 1.18. All right, now this is not a calculator problem, so I'm not going to simplify this because I don't know what 1.18 divided by negative 6.9 is, so I'm going to leave it like that because that's all we have to do in this situation. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.